Creating a beautiful presentation requires a symphony of visual elements to work together. Designers seek to make the entire vision work together in terms of how each part interacts. This includes layout, typography, and imagery, which all add up to a cohesive set of design elements. So, how can you orchestrate the chaos of design in your next presentation?
Usually clients would give you a list of programs or requirements that that he wants to be in these projects lah. But when you are in the site, that is the most closest contact between you and the condition of the site. So that is very, very important in the design process lah.
Architectural design presentation techniques are just one of the two main areas you will be using architectural drawing. On one hand, you can use drawing to generate ideas and concepts for your design work. The main difference from esquisse ideas, which is done fast, and design presentations is the hatching. You can tell when somebody took the extra time to get excellent hatching going. A design presentation needs to look like it's been thoroughly thought out and planned. The way you can get this is by using several sketches to get the exact proportions right of each element before the final draft. You can even do a progression of several thumbnails until you land the composition idea which will work perfectly for your design. Contrast is good for getting all your pieces, facades, visuals, technical drawings to pop out and thus be read really clearly. Contrast is essential for design sheets because it gives clarity. Clarity in turn says that you are dependable, clear in your ideas and concepts, and that alone will place you above the competition.
There's two types of communication in the presentation: verbals and graphics, image. In terms of image, the case study normally we just use PowerPoint or here keynote presentation,
animations,
yeah.
movies.
So as we see, there's only two types, image and verbal. So we must really focus on these two, and the most that we focus is actually is what we present, the image. The second thing, but it's also important, is the verbal. So normally architects are trained from diploma to degree to masters to really talk really well, and that's not really a problem for most architects. But in terms of image, that is what we are trained from diploma until we work here.
Making your design presentation sheet look like a collage of different images will give it an extra tri-dimensional feel. This in turn adds a lot of credibility and dimension to the overall concept of your design. In some cases, if your design sheet is pinned up alongside other sheets, it will stand out so much that it literally makes other work look like a background for the main piece. Get the design layout to express your main concept. It also implies a strong link with the concept of your design. If you need to express your design contrasting the site context, then go for a black and white presentation with your design being colored. If you need your design to imply a strong connection to nature, then draw more large-scale trees and shrubs in the foreground of your main renders. Although you will be able to get great results just by applying these presentation techniques, you will need to have high-quality design work to begin with. A good presentation could get your project approved or quickly dismissed if you don't plan it right.